Welcome to Lesson 56. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to edit hatch patterns. Let's start by creating a hatch. Activate the Hatch command in the Modify panel. Now let's select the rectangle. Let's change the hatch scale to 4, tab to register. In my previous lesson about working with hatch patterns, that was Lesson 17 in this course, I forgot to show you how transparency works. Now, even though I've increased the transparency, nothing changes on my screen. In order to make this property visible, we need to switch transparency on using the toggle in the status bar. Let's accept our changes and close the hatch editor. Now let's select the hatch we just created. Go to Edit on the main menu, scroll down to Copy, and back to Edit, select Paste. And I simply left-click to paste the hatch. Now let's go ahead and select the hatch we just posted here. We don't see the boundary right now. Let's switch Associative off. And now we see the boundary and the handles. I can grab and reposition the handles. When I mouse over a handle, I see the option to stretch, add or remove a vertex. Let's remove this vertex. Let's mouse over this handle. Here we have the option to stretch, add a vertex, or convert to arc. Let's activate snap mode now. Endpoint and midpoint snap are active. Let's snap to this point here. And let's grab there, here, and drop it again over here. Mouse over this handle, and let's scroll to Add Vertex. Snap it here. And let's exit the Hatch tool, accepting our changes. Just zoom in a little bit. I want to fillet this unhatched corner. Activate the Fillet command, and let's specify a radius. Right-click, Radius. Let's use 6 units. Select these 2 lines, and here's our fillet. Now let's select the hatch pattern, mouse over this handle, add vertex. Mouse over the handle, add vertex again, and drop it about here. And let's mouse over the handle again, select Convert to Arc. When I mouse over this arc, the midpoint becomes selected. Let's snap to that point. Left-click to accept, and let's exit Hatch Editing mode. As you see, the Edit Hatch tool is very flexible. This concludes our tutorial about editing hatch patterns.